When it comes to lasting longer and feeling more confident in the bedroom, one of the most overlooked yet powerful areas is nutrition, particularly the vitamins and minerals that directly affect energy, stamina, and sexual health. As men get older, the body naturally goes through changes that can sometimes lower testosterone levels, reduce circulation, and slow down recovery. That is why focusing on nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D can make such a noticeable difference. Zinc, for example, is often called the man's mineral because it plays a key role in testosterone production. Without enough zinc, energy levels dip, muscles tire faster, and performance suffers. But by adding zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, cashews, beans, and eggs into daily meals, you help your body maintain the balance it needs. Magnesium is another crucial mineral because it helps muscles relax and recover, supports strong circulation, and prevents cramps or stiffness that can interrupt intimate moments. Many older men do not get enough magnesium, but it can be found in foods like spinach, almonds, bananas, and even a square of dark chocolate, making it both easy and enjoyable to include in your diet. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is also a game changer because it not only strengthens bones and the immune system, but also works with testosterone and overall mood regulation, which directly ties into stamina and confidence. Getting just 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight daily, or including foods like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy products, can help raise vitamin D levels naturally. Together, these nutrients create a strong foundation for energy, endurance, and vitality. And the best part is that they do not require complicated supplements or drastic changes, just small adjustments in what you eat every day. Even simple habits like sprinkling pumpkin seeds over your salad, choosing spinach as a side dish, or stepping outside in the morning for a short walk can slowly build up your reserves of these essential vitamins and minerals. Over time, these small, consistent actions help the body work more efficiently, keep hormones balanced, and improve blood flow, all of which support longer-lasting stamina and renewed confidence. Movement is one of the most powerful tools older men can use to maintain stamina and confidence, especially when it comes to intimacy. Many people think that exercise has to mean long hours in the gym or lifting heavy weights, but in reality, even simple daily movement has a tremendous effect on energy, circulation, and endurance. When you move your body regularly, you encourage stronger blood flow throughout the entire system, including the areas that matter most for intimacy. This improved circulation helps keep tissues healthy, responsive, and ready when the moment comes. Walking, for example, is one of the easiest and most effective exercises for older adults. A simple 20-minute walk each day not only strengthens the heart and lungs, but also clears the mind, lowers stress, and boosts confidence. Gentle strength training is another valuable tool, and it can be done at home without any fancy equipment. Something as basic as doing a few chair squats, lifting light weights, or even using water bottles for resistance helps maintain muscle strength, improve stability, and keeps the body feeling capable. Stretching is equally important, as flexibility allows you to move more comfortably and prevents stiffness or soreness from holding you back. Even a short stretching routine in the morning or before bedtime can make a noticeable difference in how you feel throughout the day. Beyond the physical benefits, movement has an incredible impact on mental well-being. Idiron exercise releases natural feel-good chemicals in the brain, lifting mood and reducing anxiety, which can otherwise interfere with intimacy and stamina. Older men often notice that after a few weeks of steady movement, they sleep better, their energy levels are more stable, and their confidence naturally improves. The key is not to overcomplicate it, but to choose small, enjoyable activities that fit easily into daily life. Whether it is a brisk walk around the neighborhood, gardening, swimming, or even dancing with your partner in the living room, consistent movement builds strength, circulation, and energy reserves that support lasting vitality. Each step you take, no matter how small, helps train your body to perform better, recover faster, and feel more alive in every aspect of life. Stress is one of the biggest hidden factors that drain energy and shorten stamina, especially for older men. When the body is under constant stress, it produces higher levels of cortisol, a hormone that not only lowers testosterone, but also interferes with circulation and makes it harder to stay relaxed and confident. Many men notice that when they feel anxious, tired, or distracted, their performance suffers, and this is not just in the bedroom, but in daily life as well. Learning how to manage stress in simple, consistent ways can completely change how the body responds. One of the most effective tools is deep breathing, which helps slow down the heart rate, lower blood pressure, and bring the body into a calmer state. Just 5 minutes of slow, deep breaths before bed or even during the day can reset the nervous system and create a sense of calm. Another powerful habit is meditation, but it doesn't have to mean sitting cross-legged for hours. Even a few minutes of focusing on the breath, listening to calming music, or practicing gratitude by recalling 3 good things about the day can shift the mind away from worry and toward relaxation. Gentle stretching or yoga can also work wonders by combining movement with relaxation, releasing tension from the body while improving flexibility and circulation. Stress management can also be supported by simple lifestyle habits like spending time outdoors, enjoying a hobby, or connecting with friends. Social interaction reduces feelings of isolation and lifts mood, which naturally improves energy and stamina. Many men also find that keeping a regular sleep routine helps reduce stress because the body feels more rested and less overwhelmed. The important thing is to create a few small daily rituals that remind your body and mind to let go of tension, whether that is sipping herbal tea in the evening, listening to soft music, or taking a warm shower before bed. Over time, these practices help lower stress hormones, balance energy, and restore confidence in a way that supports both overall health and intimacy. The foods you choose each day play a huge role in how much energy and stamina you have, especially as you get older. Eating smart does not mean following strict diets or giving up all the foods you love, but it does mean adding more of the right kinds of foods that give your body lasting fuel. Foods that support circulation are especially important because better blood flow equals better performance and endurance. Berries, for example, are packed with antioxidants that protect blood vessels and keep them flexible, making it easier for blood to move where it needs to go. Dark chocolate, in moderation, also has flavonoids that boost circulation and provide a natural lift in mood. Nuts like walnuts and almonds give you healthy fats and magnesium, which support hormone balance and steady energy levels, while leafy greens such as spinach and kale provide nitrates that help widen blood vessels and improve stamina. Another key habit is to avoid heavy, greasy meals late at night, since they take longer to digest and can leave you feeling sluggish when you need energy the most. Instead, aim for lighter dinners with lean protein, vegetables, and whole grains that provide steady fuel without weighing you down. Drinking enough water throughout the day also makes a big difference, because dehydration often shows up as fatigue and low energy. Even mild dehydration can reduce circulation and make the body feel more tired than it really is, so keeping a glass of water nearby is a simple habit with powerful benefits. Small swaps in your daily diet can go a long way, like replacing sugary snacks with a handful of nuts or fresh fruit, or choosing whole grain bread instead of white bread. These little changes support long-term energy, stabilize blood sugar, and help the body feel lighter and more active. By focusing on foods that energize instead of foods that drain, you create a natural system where your body has the fuel it needs to keep going strong, both in daily life and in the bedroom, giving you more control, confidence, and lasting vitality. Sleep is one of the most underrated but most powerful tools for improving stamina, energy, and overall vitality, especially for older men. When the body gets enough restful sleep, it restores hormone levels, repairs tissues, and refreshes the mind, all of which directly affect confidence and performance. Testosterone, which is key for energy and desire, is largely replenished during deep sleep, meaning that poor sleep can slowly drain motivation and stamina without you even realizing it. Good sleep also strengthens the immune system and balances stress hormones like cortisol, which if left unchecked can interfere with circulation and energy levels. One of the best ways to support quality sleep is by creating a simple and consistent bedtime routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate the body's natural rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Turning off bright screens like phones or TVs an hour before bedtime allows the brain to wind down, since the blue light from electronics tricks the body into thinking it is still daytime. Simple habits like dimming the lights, reading a book, or listening to calming music can signal to the brain that it is time to rest. The bedroom environment also makes a big difference, so keeping the room cool, quiet, and dark helps the body stay in a deeper sleep stage for longer periods. Even small adjustments like investing in a supportive pillow or breathable sheets can improve comfort and reduce tossing and turning. Limiting caffeine in the afternoon and avoiding heavy meals close to bedtime also supports better sleep, since digestion and stimulants can disrupt the body's ability to fully relax. Gentle evening activities like light stretching, meditation, or a warm shower can calm the mind and prepare the body for rest in a natural way. With steady and restful sleep, the body has the chance to fully recharge, balance hormones, and restore energy levels so that each day begins with more vitality, clarity, and readiness to enjoy life more fully.